Hey, if you're watching this video, you're interested in becoming a Kartra affiliate and making reoccurring money with Kartra. And this is basically about the Kartra JV program. It's a tutorial for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through the program and then show you how to go ahead and get set up. I'm also going to put a link in the top of the comment section and the description so that you can click on that if you want to either try Kartra or if you want to go ahead and sign up and become an affiliate. So let's go ahead and get started now. So if you're watching this video, you probably already have a good idea what Kartra is. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the different commission structures that you can get. Kartra is a great program. It's really helpful. And when you're doing this, you're going to be sharing a way that's going to help other people grow their businesses. So there's, along with the nice commissions, you're also doing something that's helping small businesses to grow. As you can see here, there's a starter plan, a silver, gold, and platinum. Most people that you wind up signing up, I'm going to imagine, are going to be on the starter or the silver plan. Once folks get into some of the gold and platinum, they typically have large businesses, so they'll probably start over here and grow into these. But the two different commission structures that you basically have are, one, if you get people to sign up for Kartra, you're going to make 40% commission reoccurring. So as long as they use Kartra, you're going to make a monthly reoccurring income. Now, sometimes they just go ahead and pay for the whole year, and that's always nice when you get a ding on your phone that says you just got 40% of a yearly commission, but a lot of them are also going to just go with the monthly amount, especially if they want to try it out. So just figure out what the monthly amount is, and that will tell you, and then multiply that times the 40%, and that will tell you what you're going to get each month. All right, the other thing that's really cool is Kartra gives you the option of doing the JV partner program. Now, what does that mean? Well, basically, it is a kind of a second tier commission. So if you know other affiliates, other people who are interested in promoting Kartra, and you send them your JV link and they sign up as an affiliate, you will get 10% reoccurring income of anyone that they sell or they promote Kartra to. So if you send this link out, your JV link out, and someone purchases a silver package, you would get 10% of this. So that's $199. So that's $19. You would get $19 a month ongoing, just because you sent that out there. And as long as their person signs up and stays using Kartra, you're going to get that. Another really good thing about Kartra is that it is an all-in-one system. That's kind of how they tout, themselves. So once they kind of get in there, they're gonna use it, they're gonna like it, and they're gonna stay on for a while. Most people don't join a system like this and start integrating their email and video and all these things in there and then just leave. So once you get somebody who signs up, they're usually gonna stay on for a little while, and you're gonna keep making those reoccurring monthly payments, which is really good. So a couple other notes. Kartra is going to want to pay you through PayPal. There may be another option or two, but I've always gotten it done through PayPal, and it usually comes somewhere around the 15th of the month. Another thing to keep in mind is Kartra works really well by giving people a 14-day trial. So you also have about a 30-day waiting period once somebody pays for a membership. So you'll have about a 45-day turnaround from the time that you sign somebody up till the time that you actually get paid, depending upon the month and a few other factors, depending on when they actually signed up. So I wanted to show you this really quickly. This is kind of the dashboard here. My affiliate promos is where you'll kind of come in here, and you see over the last 7 days, I've had one sale in the last 7 days. And then rebills, it's early in the month right now when this video's out, so the rebills aren't going to occur. The ones I have aren't going to occur till a little later on. But you can see right here the 40% commission. You can see the 10% JV commission. And up here, I've got these kind of blacked out, but these are some of the other programs through Kartra that I also promote. You'll come over here, you'll click on my link, and this will give you your affiliate link for just your regular, like if you're going to share your link with someone who is just wanting to try Kartra, the actual program. And then you've got your JV broker link. That's the one if you're wanting to send it to someone who is maybe an affiliate or an affiliate. They want to be an affiliate and share it with other people. But for your affiliate link right here, you would click on this, and this gives you multiple options for how you can actually share this. These are really good because it gives you different things, like if you want to focus on calendars, if you want to focus on campaigns or mail, whatever people are interested in. So if you got somebody to say, I'm really interested in the trial, you can come here and click the 14-day trial. If somebody says, I'm very interested in maybe building or landing pages or email, you have very specific links for all of these, and you can set those up and send them a very catered link as opposed to just one generic link. A few different ways that you can actually share it. YouTube is really strong. You're watching this YouTube video right now. Facebook, sharing your link on there, sharing it if you have an email list of people to send out your affiliate link to, or if you maybe put together a blog and you know how to have the SEO working for that so that people stumble upon that. That's another way that you can get your affiliate links out there. As I said before, I'm going to put links at the top of the comment section and at the top of the description section there for you. So click on those. If you want to try Kartra out, you can do that. Or if you want to become an affiliate, there's going to be a link there. You can click on that. Now, one thing I would say is when you go to become an affiliate, make sure that you fill out your information thoroughly. Obviously, you're going to have to read your terms and conditions. Those are pretty standard, but make sure you fill it out thoroughly. They're basically trying to figure out if you're going to be a good fit for them, and they let a lot of people in. So I wouldn't stress too much about that, but what you don't want to do is leave a bunch of stuff blank, because then it looks like you're not even really trying, or maybe you're being sneaky. Just fill out your stuff thoroughly, and then go ahead and submit that, and usually it takes a day or two to hear back from them as to whether you can promote or not. But in all reality, they want as many people as possible, good fit people, I guess you should say, to promote their product, because that just spreads the word out there. Okay, so that's it for this video. Again, go ahead and click on the link in the top of the comment section, the top of the description section, and go ahead and submit that to Kartra to become an affiliate. If you have any questions, comments, leave those below, and I'll try to answer those for you as soon as I can. And I hope that you're out there, you're helping people to grow their businesses with Kartra and use it, because it really is an amazing program.